why not a little bit of feta?
Oh, I love that.
Like a feta
sauce,
dip,
right.
you know what I mean? A little bit of feta,
I
a
make
little
that
bit
potato
of cream.
parsnip cake, and I put it out with a creme fraiche sauce.
Yeah.
But I put a lot of salty stuff in it, like capers and herbs and stuff.
Yeah.
Same kind of thing. This
You
will be
want
nice and salty and yummy.
Exactly. You want like the sort of like equivalent of like a French onion dip. So you're gonna do a little bit of garlic in there, a little bit of salt, just a touch. Because
the feta is salty, right.
Exactly. And then we'll spin this guy up. Perfect.
And what did you add to that? Milk, cream?
Just a little bit of cream and a
Gotcha.
little bit of feta. And we use Bulgarian feta, but you guys can use, honestly, whatever you want. Spoon this down. And then we sprinkle it with za'atar, which is like my favorite thing ever.
Me too.
Really good, but you could do paprika if you wanted.
Za'atar you can get right already mixed together.
Exactly.
It's herbs and sesame.
Look at that.
Dang!
Come on, and if you want to go like non-latke route, this with like raw carrots would be unbelievably good.